Welcome to the November edition of Around the Market. Hi everyone, here's a quick overview of the key support and resistance levels for the coming weeks. And to finish, are emerging markets about to outperform most Western indices? Let's get started. European markets. The AEX. Uptrend. Support 940 and 915. Resistance 985. The bell. Uptrend. Support 4850 and 4725. Resistance 5050. The CAC. Preparing for a new uptrend. Support 7950 and 7760. Resistance triple top at 8250. The DAX. Consolidating in time, the 200 SMA is catching up with price. Support 23,400 and 22,250. Resistance all-time high at 24,500. The MIB. Weakening uptrend. Support 41,500 and 40,500. Resistance 43,500 and 49,000. The IBEX. Uptrend. Surpassed all-time high close of 15,944 from November 2007. Support 15,400 and 14,600. Resistance all-time high at 16,200. US markets. The SPY. Uptrend. Support 655 and 645. Resistance 690. The cubes. Uptrend. Support 585 and 560. Resistance 635. IWM. Uptrend. Support 237 and 230. Resistance 253. SMH. Uptrend. Support 345 and 325. Resistance 370. USO. Still in a broad sideways pattern. Support 69 and 66.5. Resistance 74 and 77. GDX. First meaningful correction. Support 67 and 60. Resistance 75 and 81. Technical analysis. In recent weeks and months, we've seen many national indices reaching new highs. Not only Western markets, but also Brazil, Chile, Mexico, Peru, and most recently Argentina. Asian markets are performing well too. China, Indonesia, Singapore, Taiwan, South Korea, and also South Africa. It's time to check if a long-term rotation is underway. For this, I use a ratio chart with three ETFs: iShares MSCI Emerging Markets, iShares MSCI Latin America, iShares Stocks Europe 600 as reference. The relative comparison shows stronger performance in Asian markets versus Latin America. For both, after years of decline, the ratios are starting to make higher highs, a possible sign that emerging markets could begin to outperform. Definitely worth following. Voila! Thanks for watching the monthly review. For more frequent updates, check out our weekly spotlights. Subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay on top of market trends. See you next time.